The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-Aughts Countertop Blender is a powerful and efficient kitchen appliance designed to make blending effortless. With its 1000-watt base and total crushing technology, this blender can easily crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients, delivering smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or creamy soups, the Ninja BL610 ensures a high-performance blending experience. Its large 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for preparing drinks for the whole family, making it an excellent choice for both personal and party use. For customer satisfaction, the blender is designed with durable, BPA-free materials and easy-to-use controls, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning simple, adding to the convenience. With its sleek black design, the Ninja BL610 not only performs exceptionally well, but also looks great in any kitchen. Customers who prioritize power, capacity, and ease of use will find this blender to be a great investment. For the best deals and to purchase the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, check out the buy links in the description. The NewWave Infinity Commercial Blender is a high-performance, heavy-duty appliance designed for those who demand power and durability in their kitchen. Equipped with a 2.5 horsepower copper motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, and processes tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, sauces, or nut butters, the 10-speed control allows you to customize the texture to perfection. The 64-aughts Tritan jar is both BPA-free and NSF certified, ensuring safety and reliability for both home and commercial use. For customer satisfaction, this blender is designed to last a lifetime of up to 100 years, making it a long-term investment for any kitchen. The self-cleaning feature ensures effortless maintenance, while the heavy-duty construction guarantees exceptional durability. Whether you're a home chef or a professional, the NewWave Infinity Blender delivers superior performance with convenience. For the best deals and to purchase the NewWave Infinity Commercial Blender, check out the buy links in the description. The Smoothie Commercial Blender is a powerful and versatile appliance designed for both home and commercial use. With its 2200-watt motor and 6-leaf stainless steel blade, this blender delivers exceptional blending performance, making it perfect for smoothies, shakes, soups, and even crushing ice effortlessly. The 80-aughts large capacity jar is ideal for preparing drinks in bulk, making it a great choice for restaurants, cafes, or large families. With 15 adjustable speeds, users can achieve the perfect texture for any recipe, from silky smoothies to thick sauces. For customer satisfaction, the self-cleaning function ensures easy maintenance, saving time and effort. The heavy-duty construction guarantees durability, allowing long-term use without compromising performance. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the intuitive controls make it user-friendly. Whether you're a professional chef or a smoothie enthusiast, the Smoothie Commercial Blender offers power, convenience, and reliability. For the best deals and to purchase the Smoothie Commercial Blender, check out the buy links in the description. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is a reliable and versatile kitchen appliance designed to deliver smooth and consistent results. With its 700-watt motor and ice saber blades, this blender effortlessly crushes ice and blends smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks with ease. The 40-aughts glass jar is durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for making drinks for the whole family. With 14 blending functions, you can mix, puree, chop, or even make salsas and sauces, giving you complete control over your recipes. For customer satisfaction, the Wave Action System ensures that ingredients are continuously pulled down toward the blades for an ultra-smooth blend. The stainless steel and black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the easy-to-use controls make operations simple. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe jar, lid, and blades make cleanup hassle-free. Whether you're making daily smoothies or frozen cocktails for a gathering, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is a great choice for efficiency and convenience. For the best deals and to purchase the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher blender, check out the buy links in the description. The Oster Extreme Mix Blender is a high-speed, powerful kitchen appliance designed for effortless blending. With its 1500-watt motor and 10-point stainless steel blade system, this blender crushes ice, blends smoothies, purees, soups, and processes tough ingredients with precision. The 64-ounce capacity makes it perfect for preparing large batches, whether you're making drinks for the whole family or meal prepping for the week. Featuring auto programs, this blender offers convenience by automatically adjusting speed and power to deliver consistently smooth results every time. For customer satisfaction, the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the easy-to-use controls make operations simple for all users. The high-speed blending technology guarantees smooth textures without lumps, perfect for shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. Additionally, the sleek design enhances any kitchen, and the easy-to-clean parts make maintenance hassle-free. Whether you're a home cook or a smoothie enthusiast, the Oster Extreme Mix Blender provides power, efficiency, and reliability. For the best deals and to purchase the Oster Extreme Mix Blender, check out the buy links in the description.